Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove permanent marker from your skin easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So if you have permanent marker on your skin and you want to get rid of it, this is the video for you. I'll be going over 3 easy options that are not based on any chemicals or anything unnatural. These are just very simple things that you can use, that you have lying around your house anyways, that you probably use for various things anyways, okay? So let's get right into it. The first method is to use toothpaste. So just get some regular toothpaste. This is literally the toothpaste that I used to brush my teeth this morning, okay? And after I left the house, I put it in the car as I was leaving the house so I could use it for this video, okay? My wife has another tube of toothpaste in a different bathroom, so yeah, we're good to go. And my kids use kids' toothpaste, so I gladly grabbed this one to use for the video because this is like basically the one that I use because I brush my teeth on the main floor just to keep it quiet in the morning because I do it so early. Anyways, just so everyone else can keep on sleeping. But with that being said, that tangent that I went off on right there, essentially all that you need to do is get a little bit of toothpaste on your finger, just a little bit. It doesn't need to be much, okay? Get a bit of toothpaste on your finger and rub it on the permanent marker spot, okay? Just like that. Okay, rub it on the spot where there's permanent marker. Continue rubbing as if similar to how you brush your teeth, but do it with your finger. Now, the idea here is that toothpaste can clean all of the plaque and all of the debris off of your teeth, so toothpaste can do a good job at cleaning the permanent marker as well. When you're done, rinse it off. Now, this is a method that you can use maybe a couple times a day. You don't want to use it more than, let's say, 2 or 3 times a day, spread out over the course of the day, because toothpaste, is such a good cleaner that it can be a little bit almost abrasive. And you don't want it to sort of like eat away at your skin. It wouldn't eat away your skin, but you don't want it to like dry out your skin. So, a couple times a day you can use this method. The second method is using makeup remover, which if you wear makeup, you probably use makeup remover anyways. And essentially, I'm just gonna put a little bit of saliva against the toothpaste here because my hands are sticky. I don't have anything to rinse it. I have my water bottle, but I'm not gonna pour my water in the car. So I'm just gonna quickly just make it so my hands aren't as sticky. Okay, and they feel like toothpaste. Anyways, just because it's going to annoy me throughout the video. The second thing is makeup remover. If you wear makeup, you probably use makeup remover to remove it, okay? The idea is that the makeup remover can remove the makeup, so obviously it should be able to remove the permanent marker as well. Once again, don't do it too much because like maybe once a day because it will dry out your skin. Okay, so, just rub it on the area, okay? Last but not least is number 3, which is olive oil, okay? Or vegetable oil, any type of like cooking oil. And the idea behind this is that when you rub the olive oil on the permanent marker spot, the oils from the olive oil will attach to the oils of your skin. And when you rinse it off, you will be rinsing off the olive oil and the oils from your skin as well, which will have some of the permanent marker on it. Now, these methods are not meant to get rid of the permanent marker stain like right away. It doesn't work like that. If the permanent marker stain has been on your skin for a while, it will take a little bit of time for it to come off, but you can use these methods to speed up the process. If you just wash your hands with soap and water, it'll come off, but it will take a long time. If you use these methods as well as the soap and water method, then guess what? It's going to happen a lot faster. It'll be a little bit more efficient. But that is basically it. That is how to remove permanent marker from your skin easily, a step-by-step tutorial. I was gonna put permanent marker on my hand to do this video, but then I figured I wouldn't be able to remove it within the video anyways, so I would just show you the methods. And I didn't want to bring olive oil in the car and stuff, so I just chose to bring the toothpaste because I'm filming this video before I start work for the day, so I didn't want to bring like everything here, so I just brought the toothpaste. But for the rest of it, you can imagine what you would do. You just rub the makeup remover on there, and you rub the olive oil on there as well, separately, obviously, do it separately, and then you rinse everything off with soap and water. If you're gonna use these 3 methods like one after the other, make sure you fully wash your hands with soap and water until they're completely clean between each method. So if you're going to use the toothpaste, fully wash your hands with soap and water, make sure they're completely clean. Then you can try the makeup remover, fully wash your hands with soap and water, even wash them a few times, make sure they're completely clean. Then you can try the olive oil, and then fully wash your hands with soap and water at the end once again. That's it. If you have permanent marker, that's how to get rid of it on your skin. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.